Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your headphones with a phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud or browser or Spotify. Just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to check if you have the last version for this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't. Now, if it didn't help you, also I recommend it to open Edifier Connect app and check if you have update here. I haven't because I have the last software version, but maybe you have an updated. Also, I recommend it to restart your device. So I listen the music I use these headphones with this phone, so I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet or PC, you need to restart that device. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, we have two options. We can or use the application, so open Edifier Connect app, go to the settings at the right top, and at the bottom we have factory settings. Tap at that line, and then you need to click at the slider near to it, and then confirm. Or we can use controls, and you need to firstly find Bluetooth button and press at this button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I didn't do this, so let's make it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, here we go. And then we need to reconnect these headphones with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to the headphones. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And if you have iOS, you need to or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return here. And after a factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically. So you don't need to use Bluetooth button, you just tap at your headphones at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!